Setting marketing goals and objectives. In this section, we'll concentrate on the essential step of setting marketing goals and objectives, which serve as the bedrock of any successful marketing strategy. Define your objectives. Start by clearly defining what you want to achieve with your marketing efforts. Whether your goal is to increase sales, expand your customer base, or enhance brand recognition, your objectives should be SMART, SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Know your audience. Your objectives must align with your target audience's needs and preferences. It's crucial to understand who your customers are and how your products or services meet their requirements. This understanding will help you create objectives that resonate with your audience. Consider your resources. Your objectives should be realistic and attainable within the resources available to you. Assess your budget, personnel, and tools to ensure that your goals are feasible within these constraints. Monitor and adjust. Setting goals and objectives is not a one-time task. Regularly monitor your progress and be prepared to adjust your strategies as necessary. Marketing is dynamic, and adapting to changing circumstances is vital for success. These objectives act as your guiding light, directing your marketing efforts toward the right path. Whether your aim is to cross-sell, upsell, or reach new customers, having clear objectives is crucial to keeping you on track and motivated throughout your marketing journey. In the upcoming sections, we'll dive into more specific details and strategies to achieve these goals.